trucks face a variety of obstacles. If you don't make it, you're out. To pass, the vehicle must be on the other side and able to drive. We will call the mechanic to make repairs. Lucas backing into a spot to wait on the other trucks. He's lost a tire, but still moving. Here comes the mechanic now! Let's see that replay! No good for Earthshaker! We have got to see that replay! Did he make it? Let's check in with our mechanic. Looks like Lucas is fixed. Our mechanic is going to get these trucks going. While we wait, we have entertainment. Two trucks will not make it any further. Here they go, moving deeper into the jungle. What will they find next? Only 4 trucks left to take on this next elimination challenge. Lucas is getting us started here. It may look shallow, but that moving water can be dangerous. El Toro Loco making his attempt. Every truck made it across the shallow crossing. Looks like our drivers will have to jump off of the bridge onto the road below. Lucas made that look easy. Surely we won't lose a truck here. Not fast enough. Bro Camino is stuck and will not progress. Off the tire of Bro Camino. One truck less. Our 3 remaining trucks approach the next challenge. Our drivers must have nerves of steel to descend this cliff. Can he drive away? Steady now. Two trucks have made it safely. One to go! There they are! Our 3 survivors will get repairs before continuing. But in the meantime, let's see that again. Right onto the tree. Where did we get a trailer? Let's hope he doesn't drive the truck off. Well, anyways, the mechanic is done. Our trucks are on the move for the next challenge. I cannot believe all 3 trucks made it down. What a sight. Look at them. Our drivers must clear the building and land on their tires. One more time. A backflip off of the wall. We have lost Mohawk Warrior. 2 trucks remain. They must pass through the warehouse, make the jump, and land on top of the container to proceed. it for El Toro Loco! Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our winner, Lucas Stabilizer. Comment where we should do our next elimination challenge. And don't forget to subscribe. This has been Smash Truck TV. Until next time.